Google Maps, you may earn $75 each day. Yes, no prior experience is necessary, and you may begin right away. In this video, I'll teach you how to make $75 to $150 per day using Google Maps. There is an old hidden secret that Google doesn't want you to know about. How to make sure you have a steady daily revenue flowing in. This is a flaw in the map system in which the map locations you locate offer data to outside entities willing to send you money via the internet. Some places will return an empty result, but you'll get a hit 90% of the time and walk away with a big payment right into your bank account. It's an old method that still works, and you'll get step-by-step instructions in this video. The first step is to make sure you have a PayPal account, since this is how you'll start receiving your money. You could receive your money by check, but I don't know if it's just me, but I like PayPal Money because it's faster and easier to access, so make sure you have one before proceeding. The next step is to go to Google Maps and navigate to your present location, which will be the most lucrative place on the map. Because we'll be using a Google extension throughout this video, I strongly advise you to install Google Chrome. The next step is to search for Chrome web store on Google. What we're going to do now is go up to the section where it says Search Extensions. Simply put in Facebook Pixel Helper, and it will appear as a first result right here. You don't have to use Facebook for this method because we're going to install a Chrome extension that will allow us to spy on different web pages without the owners even knowing about it. It'll almost feel like the next step is to make sure that you click on the Add to Chrome button to install this extension into the Chrome browser. So when you've completed this, go back to Google Maps and turn to your hometown. This will greatly enhance your chances of making this whole thing profitable. Now what we're going to do here is look for not just any local businesses, but particular local businesses that are prepared to give you huge sums of money every month. Those companies are presently in operation. I've already written everything down for you, so here is a list. Dentist, accountant or CPA, as well as tax preparation services. Vehicle repair shops, plumber, chiropractor. So for this video, choose which one you want to utilize. I'm going to go with plumber. So here's what you should do. Go to your local city, wherever you are, and type in anything on the list that you like. So in this example, I'm going to use plumber and I'm going to put Portland, Oregon. So I'm typing plumber, my city, and state, and once done, just click on enter. Now is the time to make a closer look at this and recognize that every single red spot on this map represents a high income opportunity. We have a great potential here to earn tens of thousands of dollars every month. And in this video, I'll teach you precisely how to do it correctly. I'll take you through the entire process. So first and foremost, we must choose a business. We have numerous plumbers in the neighborhood, so all we have to do is choose one. So here's what I'm going to do. With this one, Best Portland Plumber. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and you'll see the information shown over here on the left side as soon as you click on a business. Now most of these businesses have websites. So down here in the information, you should see this little globe icon, and right next to that, you should see the website for this business. Now, if you've previously installed the Chrome extension for the Facebook Pixel Helper, you're set for this step. So go ahead and click on that website there, and it will take you straight to the business's website. So we may look around, but the most essential thing is to see if this business is presently sending traffic from Facebook ads, which we can detect and know by utilizing the Facebook Pixel Helper, which is currently loaded on my browser. Now that's right over here. I've got it installed, so I'll go ahead and click on that. Now if I click on that extension, it says, there are no pixels covered on this page, which implies this firm isn't currently driving traffic from Facebook or using Facebook ads. This is what it could look like if they were utilizing Facebook ads to attract traffic. There's another plumbing business in Portland, D&F Plumbing, and if I check it up on the Chrome extension right now, it claims there's 2 pixels on this page. Thus, if this is the case, it appears that they have already someone managing their advertising, so I'll just pass on this opportunity. However, here is the next action that you may do. Now let's turn to Google Maps. This firm obviously does not have a Facebook pixel on its page. Now all you have to do is go through each company and compile a list of all the businesses in your region that do not have Facebook pixels. Because this is a chance for you to approach that company and inform them that for a little monthly charge, you can handle their Facebook advertising. You can charge them whatever you want and tell them it's entirely hands off. They don't have to do anything because they'll take care of everything. They can go about their business while you double or quadruple the traffic to their website so they can gain more business. So there you have it. I understand that some of you are thinking, I don't know how to manage Facebook ads, to be honest. I don't believe I even understand how to handle Facebook ads. Here's something you can do to help. Go to Fiverr right now. This is over at fiverr.com, where you can hire someone to handle your advertisements for a very low price. So, beginning at $25, you can hire someone to run your advertisements on Fiverr, and you're charging $200 per month for whatever business you've chosen. That's a $175 profit. Or if you're just beginning, you may charge the firm $125 and make a $100 profit. To contact these local businesses, you may go to their company website, call the phone number on their website, or you can scroll down to the bottom of the business website's footer, and there you'll find their contact information. Alternatively, you may go to their Facebook page and message them there. You may go ahead and click here to send them a message and reach out to them because Facebook is a relatively trustworthy website. So it's extremely easy and straightforward and anyone can do it. However, you don't want to limit yourself to just one type of business. Return to the maps and take a look at all of the different local companies in your region, making a list of some of the most profitable local services you can contact: dentist, accounting, automobile maintenance, plumber, even a chiropractor. They'd be prepared to pay a modest amount each month to have you maintain their Facebook Manager account. When it's time to collect money from the customer, you may tell them you'll gladly accept a PayPal payment, a check, or perhaps you can go down to a local shop and collect the money that way. Of course, if you don't want to see them in person, you may have them transfer the money to you over the internet in any manner you see fit. Now, if you think today's video is too difficult and you'd like to learn a much easier and simpler way to make money, I have something very special to show you. Simply go to my YouTube channel and watch all of my money-making videos, or simply click on the link in the video description below to get started earning money online right away. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.